Hello friends, in the last video we have done class and object, and today we are going to do module, package and library. Module is a collection of functions, classes, variables, etc. in a file. To use module in a code, we use import command. Example, import turtle. While drawing rainbow, we use this command, import turtle. Package is collection of many modules in a directory. Example, game like Ludo King, Free Fire, etc. To use a package's module, we use below command. From package name, import module name. Example, your package name is XYZ and module name is ABC. So you can do from XYZ import ABC. Package must have one init.py file. Library is a collection of many packages. Example, of website library offers many games to users for playing. Now I will show you a diagram of module, package and library. See, library is this, and in library contains of packages. Uh, and packages consist of module and module consist of classes and functions. I want to compare it from my school. Like library is my school, packages are my class, and module are students. And students have many class and function like playing, eating, studying. So it is like our school. So in today's class, only this much. I will see you in next video. Bye bye.